how to add Instagram feed on our Google site. So here we are inside our one of the Google sites, and on this About Us page, we want to add our Instagram feed. So for that, we need to add a widget. And to get that, we need to visit this site. It's called Else site, and go ahead and make a free account on this. And then go ahead and log in into your account. And this is how your dashboard should look like. And from here, we need to create a new widget. And now we will search for Instagram. You can type it here, or it's already visible on the top. So let's click on this. And then we can go ahead and choose the layout. So we have the profile widget, we have the grid, or maybe we can have the hashtag showcase small widget. So I'm just going to use the first one and then click on continue with this template. And now we have two options. Either we can choose account type or we can choose hashtag. So we will keep it for account only, and you can go ahead and enter your account handle name and then click on search. Now it's going to search for the account and it's going to fill up the feed here. And it will also recommend you to connect your Instagram My Business page or your Facebook with this widget. So you don't need to do that. Just click on done. And the account is already added. We can go ahead and click on filters, or we can also check how many number of posts we want to show. So let's say 6. And once that is done, we can go ahead and click on sorting. So I'll keep it as it is. And then we click on publish. So now we are going to select the free account. And here is our code. So let's go ahead and click on copy code. Let's get back to our Google site. And now we need this embed widget. So let's click on this. Let's enter number and we click on embed code and paste the code here and then click on next. It's going to take a few seconds to load the widget. And we already are getting the preview. Let's click on insert. And let's go ahead and make it full width. So I'm just going to keep it as it is. And then let's see how it looks in the front end. So here is our website Google site page. And here we have the embedded widget. If you need any professional help regarding your Google sites, then make sure you check out the link in the video description.